They're not baby back ribs, they're spear ribs, so they're awful greasy and they're wet. How's everybody doing? Todd here. Thought I'd make another quick little video. It's a beautiful October day, and I'm heading over to my parents' house who live in Marion County, and we're gonna go out to eat. We're gonna go to a little place called New Riegel in New Riegel, Ohio. Go to get us some ribs. So if you're not doing anything, stick around and I'll show you what it's all about. Should be a nice little drive over there. And the food's not too bad either. Back in the old neighborhood. Still looks the same. My dad's gonna drive, so come over here a little bit early, visit with him, and then we'll take off. My mom and dad have a Great Dane too. He weighs 180 pounds. It's a big boy. Well, we made it. It's about an hour from my mom and dad's house. The little town of New Riegel. That was the front entrance there. We always go in the back. I'll try to show you what it looks like in there. I don't really like filming like in restaurants, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm really hungry. Hopefully it's good tonight.
Oh, not seasoned. Just, that's how they're.
Ribs to go for my wife. She loves them. So those ribs were pretty good tonight. Now they're not baby back ribs, they're spare ribs. So they're awful fatty and they're wet. So it's not like a dry rub, it's wet. And plus there's French fries, celery, and bread. I've been coming here for years and I have like a love-hate relationship at this place. I get a hankering for it. I come here, eat it, and then I say I'm never coming back. But I think it's more about just coming here because I used to come here as a kid. And then it's also a nice little drive. But I've had my fill for a while now. Plus it's expensive. Heck, I remember when I first started coming here, you could get like a rib basket for like $5.85, $5.95. Now it's like $20. Inflation, I'll tell you. It's getting too expensive to eat out. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Hope you enjoyed it. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you later.